Hello everyone, today we're going to have tutorial video. How to make bold letter comments on YouTube. So the purpose of this, why we will make bold letter comments, is to be noticed by people who will read the comments. And your comment will be highlighted among hundreds of comments. And you'll get a chance to gain more subscriber. So steps on how to make bold letter comment. Number 1, type asterisk and then followed by your comment and then asterisk. So here is the video examples that I made, so you will understand what and how to do it. So just follow the steps, and this is how to get this bold letter comment. So I hope you understand this instruction. So as you can see, I put asterisk and no space. I just put the comment straight, and then after the comment I just put an asterisk after, and then don't forget to press the comment to publish it. So let's see. Okay, so as you can see, the other comment below is not being highlighted. So if you see my comment, it's more clear than this other one. So thank you to Christopher Lalata, because from his comment I was able to be curious about this, and yeah, I learned and I share to you. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.
Alright. Okay.